Coconuts are so mystical. Let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Elemi from Yeyeo Botanica. Welcome back. So great to see you all. Thank you for sharing us and coming back. And if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Remember, we're www.yeyeo, and we're a spiritual and wellness supplier, which is why I do videos about all things spiritual. And I'm Elemi. I want to shout out all my people from India. Woo-hoo! Welcome. So I use these all the time, and they're so important in so many faiths and cultures, which are coconuts. So today I'm going to show you 5 ritual uses for coconuts. So let's get started. Coconuts are maybe one of the most mystical items in the world. And as a natural item, it is used for so many different things. And I did another video just kind of on uses of coconuts, health benefits, so you could watch that for more info. But this video today is really about a little bit of info and a lot of ritual of different ways you can use a coconut for breakthrough. So coconuts were found originally kind of in the Malaysia, India, East Africa region, and has now traveled all over the world. And I don't know if you guys have ever seen some of those videos where they show coconuts just bobbing on the water. They've even found them in Northern Europe. But coconuts are used in many faiths for prosperity, abundance, breakthrough, purity, purification, divination. Oh my gosh, so many uses. Cleansings of people, places, and things, mind, body, and spirit. The inside is used. The outside is used. All of which in different rituals. Even in the Hindu faith, the coconut with its 3 mystical eyes is thought of as the great god, who is looked at like Lord Shiva, one of the totems or one of the things that is used to represent Lord Shiva. Who would have thought? In the Ifa Yoruba faith, the coconut can represent Eshu, Elegba, who is thought of as the road opener, the deity of choice, the deity who has helped to bring forth civilization. So we could be here all day talking about in different faiths how the coconut is used. And if you use a coconut in any really special ways, comment below. I want to see them, and maybe even we'll do some work with it with you. So I love to talk about coconuts because I think that people really don't recognize how powerful it is. Outside of the fact that we use the oil for food and a moisturizer, we use the husk as a scrubber, as rope, as twine, right? We use the coconut husk burnt as fuel. I mean, we have so many uses of coconuts. So ritually, you can use it to cleanse your home. And I did a video that we have on our channel on using a coconut to cleanse your home with the deity Elegba or without. You can also use a coconut to cleanse your car, but I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute. You can use a coconut and paint it half red and half white and put a red candle to it to make one special favor for yourself, a request of help. Can you believe that? So let me show you now how to prepare your coconut for the other uses that are still for breakthrough and works very quickly. So family, now I'm going to show you how to prepare the coconut so that you can use it for some ritual uses. So first, we have a coconut here. This is efun. I did a video on efun, which is a natural clay from Africa. And in the Yoruba faith in Nigeria, it is used. And we also sell cascarilla, which is an eggshell powder. Has no scent, can be used for children, adults, all ages, right? So now, depending on what you have available, if you have efun, then you're going to paint the coconut with efun. If you have cascarilla, doesn't make a difference. So I'm going to show you both. So start by we call it painting the coconut, right? You can also take the hair off first if you choose. Like sometimes coconuts have a lot of hair on them. So you would take the hair off. So the coconut, you would paint it white, make your prayer. And for when I said that you would do it red and black earlier, you can do that with paint. You can do it with any, maybe an ochre or a pigment, a natural pigment that is red and black. But in this case, we're going to paint the coconut white. And again, you can take the hair off if you want to. Doesn't really make a difference if you do or not, right? And you're going to be praying about your purpose for why you're doing this, right? If it's for clarity, you're going to pray about, gaining clarity. If it's to cleanse your home, you're going to talk about what vibrations it is that you want to remove, but also what it will bring, right? And this is very traditional in traditional Yoruba, Ifa tradition as well. So now I'm going to use cascarilla just so you can see both. Very soft, and you can see the difference, right? The difference in how this went on, and we sell them both in the Botanica. And so once you get the coconut totally white, you can put it in your car in the front for a day or two, in the back, and then in the trunk to just roll around, right? When I say in the back, I mean like in the behind the driver and then behind the passenger. So basically one side of the car per day. And after you've painted it white, you let it roll around in your car, praying about safety and so on, and then you throw it in the garbage at the crossroads. And then my other method, fourth method, is to, after you've painted it white, you can put it under the bed for 7 days to help to remove negative thoughts. So again, you would be preparing your coconut, praying about what it is that, you having these negative thoughts. And if you've seen my negative self-talk video, you know that negative conversations bring negative results, right? And then lastly, you can take the coconut and you can roll it around your head. Roll it all around your head, talking about cleansing your head, cleansing your mind, bringing forth clarity, bringing forth focus. Where is his mouth? And so on. And my sweet thing for today, you can add a little bit of honey. Let me back up. My sweet thing is you can take the coconut, you can crack it open, take the water after you've rolled it around your head or not, or just getting coconut water if that's all you have available. And you can add a little bit of honey and a little bit of cascarilla or efun to the coconut water and wash your head. Cover your head with white, sleep with that to help to bring clarity, focus, especially if you have a big decision to make. So try it. I've showed you 5 ways or told you about 5 ways that you can use a coconut for breakthrough. I pray that you have a lot of success, and let me know what you do. I love to hear your comments. No matter what your tradition, your belief system, your religion, your spirituality, coconuts can be used. So we use it internally, externally, metaphysically. It falls in no particular category, so help yourself. And I hope this video gave you some ideas about ritual things to do, and we get to share with each other on some things that you do. And see you next time. Ashe, ashe, ashe.